everybody, I'm Jabberjaw.
And I am Carl.
And we are the Sharkies.
So for Sharktober, we will be making 7 different Halloween-themed recipes.
Our first recipe that we'll be making is called Pumpkin Spice Latte.
What you will need for this recipe is 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup of cinnamon, 1/8 of a cup of sugar, 1/8 of a cup of vanilla extract, a mixing utensil, and a medium mixing bowl.
You will also need 1 cup of coffee, 3 cups of milk, and 1 large pot.
Okay, so first you want to pour your 3 cups of milk and 1 cup of coffee into your large pot. And turn your stove to medium.
Next, pour your pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and sugar into your large mixing bowl. Pour that mixture into your pot and stir together.
Put the lid on, turn your stove to low, and let that simmer for 2 hours.
So while that is simmering over there, we will be moving on to our next recipe,
Which is chocolate covered pretzels that look like little pumpkins.
Yes. What you will need is 1 baking sheet, some pretzels, orange food coloring, brown and green M&Ms, some white chocolate, and that is all.
Melt the white chocolate in the microwave. Dip your pretzels into the white chocolate and spread it over the pretzel until it's completely covered.
Take your brown and green M&Ms and place them on tops of the pretzels to make them look like pumpkin stems.
Put the pumpkin pretzels in the freezer.
So while those freeze, we will be continuing on to our next Halloween treat.
Which is chocolate covered ghosts. Strawberry ghosts.
Yes, strawberry chocolate covered Halloween ghosts.
What you will need for this is some washed strawberries, a little baking sheet, some white chocolate chips, and we have some sparkle gel in black.
Melt the white chocolates in the microwave. Add some oil to thin out the white chocolate and mix together.
Dip the strawberries into the white chocolate and spin them around until they're completely covered.
Use the black sparkle gel to put faces on your strawberries.
Place the strawberries into the freezer.
So while those strawberries are freezing in the freezer, we will be moving on to our next little treat,
which is some sugar cookies with a fun Halloween themed twist.
What you will need is one big baking sheet, a couple of Hershey Kisses, 3 different colors of food coloring, any color is fine, some black sparkle gel, 1 tablespoon of water. We're using a sugar cookie mix, a half a stick of butter, 1 large mixing bowl, and 3 smaller bowls.
Preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
Pour the sugar cookie mix, the water, and the half stick of butter into your bowl. Mix together until smooth.
Evenly distribute your cookie mix into 3 separate bowls.
Color one portion of the dough blue.
Color another portion of your cookie dough pink.
And the last portion purple.
Distribute the cookie dough onto the pan.
Place the pan into the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes.
Place the Hershey's Kisses into some of your cookies.
Transfer the cookies from the pan onto a plate.
Now decorate your cookies.
Yeehaw!
Okay, so our next project will be
Finger dogs!
Okay, so the ingredients that you will need are hot dogs, hot dog buns, ketchup, a sharp knife, and a plate.
cut the hot dog bun in half.
Now cut a hot dog in half.
Warm the hot dogs up in the microwave. Cut off the tip of the hot dog to look like a fingernail and cut little slices in the middle of the hot dog to look like little finger wrinkles.
Place the hot dogs in the bun and squirt some ketchup to look like blood. So for our next treat, we'll be making
Halloween trail mix.
So for our trail mix, we'll be needing a large bowl, some bugles, some M&Ms, candy corn, little tiny twist pretzels, and rice squares.
pour the rice checks into the bowl.
Now pour the pretzels in the bowl.
Now the bugles,
And the candy corn.
but don't forget those M&Ms.
Mix until mixed together.
Yeah!
So for our last Halloween treat, we will be making cutie pumpkins
So what you will need for this is cuties.
and Sharpies.
Draw faces on your cuties with the Sharpies.
To finish off your pumpkin spice lattes, add whipped cream and little marshmallows.
Thanks for watching.
You can go follow us on Instagram at _Sharkies_.
Stay tuned for more.
Bye!